shadow. Recall when you came back from school in the afternoon. You observe a dark patch almost of your size and shape moving with you. What is this? This is your shadow. The formation of shadow is a natural phenomena. A shadow is formed when the path of light is obstructed by an opaque object. Thus, for the formation of a shadow, you need the following three things: a source of light, an opaque object that obstructs, that is, comes in the way of the source of light, and a screen. A shadow can be seen only on a screen. Walls of rooms, ground, building, and other such surfaces act as a screen. The color of the shadow does not change with the change in the color of opaque objects and the color of light falling on them. The shadow formed is always black in color. Activity. To show that a screen is necessary for forming a shadow. With 2 or 3 friends, go to an open field. Carry a torch and a chart paper with you. Ask one of your friends to stand in front of you at a distance. Bend a little and hold the torch close to the ground such that its light falls on your friend's face, who is standing in front of you. Make sure that there is no building, tree, or anything else behind your friend. Can you see the shadow? You will not be able to see any shadow. In this case, there is a source of light and an opaque object, human body, your friend. But still the shadow cannot be seen. Now ask another friend of yours to hold the chart paper behind your friend. Can you now observe the shadow? You will now be able to see the shadow on the chart paper. The chart paper acts as a screen. Thus it can be concluded that a shadow can be seen only on a screen.